Peace and blessings to the High Vibe Tribe. Welcome and or welcome back to my little altar, which is everywhere. Catch a vibe. I was about to say that for some reason the sound of music is important. The sound of music is important for someone here, okay? This is either someone who, either you are a creative yourself and you are supposed to be making music right now, or you might receive some sort of offer. You might have some eyes on you from individuals that work or have worked in the music industry before. I just heard confidence is key. If you have some eyes on you, they're watching you, they're wanting to invest in your brand. The sound of music. Also, the sound of music is very important to your overall health and well-being. So getting into frequencies, okay? Binaural beats, high frequency vibrating tones and harmonies, okay? There's something very important to someone here about the sound of music, either in your healing process, maybe allowing music to be all right, so a couple things. A container for your emotions, all right, good or bad, so you don't have to carry any negative feelings within you. I feel like I'm talking to a creative, I'm talking to a writer, maybe. But anyway, I don't know if you are a poet, if you are, I don't know what kind of artist you are, some sort of creative talent you have. Spirit is asking you to channel any type of past experiences into your art form so that you are not carrying that in your body, so that you can clear and cleanse and let go of whatever has served you in the past and it no longer serves you now, okay? Also, getting into your craft, honing your craft, taking those music lessons, writing more, getting into the studio, creating, painting. I don't know. I'm speaking to someone here that is a creative, all right? 5 of Pentacles here in this particular deck. This card speaks about abundance though, okay? It speaks about the kind of abundance that has the ability to really ground you and anchor you, okay? 333 on the clock as I'm saying that, right? So this would be you getting into your craft, whatever it is. It may not be music, it may just be some other creative endeavor, some other creative pursuit. 344 on the clock as I said that is going to be very successful, okay? Whatever ventures you're working on right now, whatever creative endeavors you have in the works, whether it may not even be, you know, something artsy, it could be a business that you are trying to get off the ground or wanting to get off the ground, it's going to be successful, okay? And it's gonna be very successful, and it's gonna bring you a whole lot of joy. So I'm hearing a message here that doing what you love is your key to success, okay? Really tapping into your heart space here. 9 of Pentacles energy here, and it still means the same thing in this particular deck. This is self-sufficiency. This is being able to take care of yourself. This is a lot. You've done a lot. You've been able to stand on your own, or you are able to stand on your own. Possibly somebody here is going from some sort of situation where you felt like you did not have enough. In this 5 of Pentacles energy, some sort of worthiness or lack, healing issues of lack, and this is happening, I just heard expeditiously, so very quickly. Stepping into 9 of Pentacles, so having more than enough, okay? And this is going to, this happens, okay, so the sound of music helps you to get out of this, any type of frequency or vibration of not enoughness, and tapping into an energy of overflow, an energy of more than enough, an energy of abundance, okay? And this is happening, like I said, very quickly, because there is someone here that wants to show you the way. There's someone here that is watching you, and they feel like they can lead you to some sort of success or victory. All right, this is this is someone who has a very intense love of life and a very strong fellowship. This is someone who's going to be very loyal to you here, okay? You see this person has their dog with them, their loyal companion, as they are tending to their flock. All right, this is someone who is going to guide you into a direction that is going to lead to great joy, success, happiness, a sunrise on the horizon. Okay, I love this energy. I love this energy so far. Definitely thank you in advance for clicking on this video. Hopefully you find some news that you can use here. Thanks in advance to everyone who is subscribing to my channel and leaving me comments. Certainly sending so much love to every last one of you who send me donations as well as book readings with me. Everything that you may need to know can be found in the description box below. This has something to do with a woman. Oh, it has something to do with a couple. A couple is coming together. A masculine energy and a feminine energy. Okay, so this doesn't have to be, you know, a man and a woman. It certainly could be 2 men or 2 women. But balances. Opposites are attracting to create balance in some sort of situation, and I feel like this has a lot to do with something tangible, something substantial. A business, could be a child, something about a union. I don't know. This could be that guide, that mentor, that teacher, that person in the music industry that's got an eye on you. Somebody here is coming together though with a counterpart. This is either a business partner. This could be like you are getting some new representation, for instance, like you are hiring or partnering with a new PR firm or something. There's something here about a union happening either in business or in love, possibly both, that is going to lead to a lot of success. What else? Yes. When I say a lot, I'm hearing it's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. Riches. Okay. This may have something to do with travel. Okay. This also has been a journey for you. Okay, you've been on this journey for quite a while. Okay, I feel like you've maybe been plotting and planning on this. Yes, there's a collaboration here. Somebody is planning to collaborate. Okay, 3 of Pentacles. There may be, again, I'm getting a strong energy of someone showing you something, teaching you something, telling you something, investing in you, some sort of apprenticeship or something. Like someone really believes in what you bring to the table. And they really feel like they can take this can go the distance. 2 of Wands energy here. Okay, this has been a long journey already. I'm hearing. I was gonna say that it's probably gonna be a long journey, but I feel like it's already been. You've already been on this path. You've already been on this journey. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I'm looking at Sun energy here. This is a lot of happiness. 3 of Cups, celebration. Okay, a lot of popularity. There's going to be a lot of, I'm hearing that you are about to be introduced to the world. Whoever you are, you, this couple, you and this business partner, I don't know. Something is about to be brought into the light. Okay, I'm hearing step into the light, Carol Ann. Okay, naturally this has the potential to disappoint some people, some individuals. I don't know if this was a highly competitive position, okay? If this was a role that many people wanted to fill, but also this is giving a strong, I hesitate because y'all already know I don't like to dwell in this energy too often, so I hesitate to even speak on it, but it came up and I'm obedient, so I will talk about it very briefly. This happiness that you are about to experience has the potential to cause some sort of envy, tension, strife, jealousy in your family, okay? Some family members or close friends might have not necessarily wanted to see this happiness for you. Yeah. Oh, damn. A big victory here. There's going to be a surprising victory here, okay? Again, very public, coming into light. I'm seeing a shock in the heart space. You know, honestly, I really don't know why I always see a heart here when I look at this card, but it's really kind of not. It's really, I think the lightning is coming down from the clouds. It's giving tower energy here. 6 of Wands, though. This is going to be very, very, very surprising, okay? And the surprise is some sort of proposal, some sort of merger, some sort of marriage, some sort of coming together of 2 individuals, okay? 2 individuals coming together, either in partnership, in business, or in marriage and in love, or possibly both, like I said. But whatever it is going to be a very wealthy dynamic and interaction. See, 10 of Pentacles, very wealthy, riches. Wow. Again, this has the potential to create some disappointment in the family environment. Damn. 5 of Wands, conflict, confusion for them, for the family. However, for you, this is all about good tidings. This is all about good luck with the 3-leaf clover here, okay? But this is, ooh, I didn't even mean to do that, but I guess he got a message. Yeah, this is good news that's coming in. A sure sign of good news. You've been waiting for this. It's been something that's been taking a while, although I am seeing the Jack of Spades, and so he is the Knight of Swords. This is coming in, this communication is coming in quickly. 10 of Pentacles, possibly something that some sort of inheritance, some sort of birthright, some sort of there's some death energy here. I'm looking at possibly an ancestral energy, strong family ties. Someone's about to have a very, very potent, life-changing experience, okay? Damn, I should have said it. I should have called it. I was feeling that somebody here is giving love and marriage go together like a horse and carriage, okay? Because first comes love, then comes marriage, then comes somebody with a baby carriage. This is somebody here is about to move away from one family dynamic into a whole new family dynamic or environment. This is now, again, I mean, this could be, you know, leaving one company or business and going for another higher paying position in another company or business or organization, all right? This could be certainly, like I said, merging with someone else in partnership. However, it certainly could also be love. I'm looking at a bride here, and storks. We know what's up with storks. This is all about children, okay? Maybe multiple children here, but also a change in residence sooner or later. And it's feeling children are here. I'm hearing sooner rather than later. Yeah, there is, and I've been picking up on this energy quite a bit lately in the collective. There is a mother figure, a mother energy, who is she would be a little disappointed. She feels like she tried to take something, a stolen inheritance, or this is an energy of a baby mama or a overbearing mom, for instance, that is just really jealous of someone else's happiness, someone else's inheritance, someone else's gifts, someone else's talents. This also could be a mother figure who feels like they were supposed to get this riches, they were supposed to get this relationship, they were supposed to get this lover, they were supposed to get this opportunity. Queen of Pentacles energy, strong, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Certainly doesn't have to be that. All the signs are here, actually. I'm not seeing a lot of water signs just yet, but I'm looking at a lot of air, earth. A lot of air and earth, actually. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. But anyway, there is a mother figure here who feels like there was some sort of position, some sort of opportunity, some sort of life that someone else is receiving that was meant to be hers, either because she was there first, or because it was promised to her, or because there's just an energy of envy, love. Look at this, because someone is looking at someone else with love and admiration. Damn, see, looking at someone else. Someone is looking at someone else with love and admiration. Someone is seeing someone through the eyes of love here. And either a strong maternal energy, this is either a baby mama or the mother of, one of these two individuals, is feeling some type of way about this couple, this union, all right? There's also it's just an energy of a jealous feminine energy that feels like someone else's gain is their loss, long story short. Yeah, let's see if anything else wants to come out, because I want to move away from that energy. I hope that you have been safe, happy, and blessed. This kind of blessed. 10 of Cups kind of blessed. I love to see this energy. This is a bouquet of flowers. This is indicating a very long and happy life. Shout out to you, whoever you are that might be discovering that you are with child right now. I'm hearing somebody say that. You are about to receive, especially, listen to this. A bouquet of flowers, an absolute indication of long and happy life. If children are nearby, extraordinary honors and fame. Wow. We have moon energy here. This is a good omen and it predicts great fortune. Wow. There's also someone here that might want to expose some secrets. There's a foxy energy here, okay, with this Ace of Hearts. So being careful about how you move. You might choose to, whatever this opportunity is that's bringing in this great wealth, abundance, a change in residence, I feel like you're going to decide to keep it under wraps because you understand that there might be some prying eyes on you, okay? There's some sort of distrust here from acquaintances. Either you are distrusting acquaintances, or somebody is looking at you with a side eye. Okay, might seeking to betray. Because somebody is about to receive some keys, possibly to a house, a home. Yeah. There's absolutely, I mean, you're gonna get away. You're gonna get away from whatever this evil eye is. I already know that. Wow. And it's going to create a tower. You're creating a tower. See, the issue here is you are creating your happiness, your success, your receiving your inheritance is creating a tower moment for someone else. And it is not your fault. Let me make this okay for you. It is not your fault. It is not your karma. You are receiving your karma. Okay? Whoever this message is for, your karma is happiness, riches, health, wealth, children, a loving household, building businesses, expressing your creativity, making music. That is your karma. That being a catalyst for someone else's negative faded experiences, honestly, to be quite real, is none of your fucking business. Okay? And so it's for that reason that I try to stay out of that energy of, reading the karmic energy, because I don't like to take it on. I don't like for it ain't none of my business. It ain't none of my business. Let's get some final words. Guardian angel spirit guides, are there any final words for my high vibe tribe? The high vibe tribe. It's such a beautiful day today. There's no way I wasn't going to come out. This foxy energy is still here. It's surrounding a household. Okay, you want to be careful about somebody might be watching a house. Somebody has some secret intentions on maybe giving you some keys to a house or a home. Okay, 10 of Cups here. This is going to make you very, very, very happy. Again, bouquet of flowers, an indication of a long and happy life. I'm seeing children. Like, people are zooming by. This is giving me expeditiously. Extraordinary honors and fame. And what came out right next to that was honor and recognition. Honor and recognition, 23 on the clock. Honor and recognition for labor that you have already done. Okay? A sure sign of business success. 2333. You might be seeing 333 might be very significant to you. Congratulations on all of this success. I love you so much.